Welcome to Momima Learning. In this video, let's learn action verbs with example sentences. If you're new to this video, subscribe my channel to get more videos. Run. He runs every morning in the park. Jump. The cat jumped over the fence. Eat. They eat lunch together at noon. Write. He writes letters to his grandmother. Sing. We love to sing during music class. Dance. She dances gracefully on stage. Read. I read a new book every week. Swim. He swims in the lake during summer. Throw. She throws the ball very far. Catch. He catches the ball easily. Climb. They climb mountains for fun. Draw. The boy draws a picture of his dog. Cook. My mom cooks delicious meals. Laugh. We laugh at funny jokes. Cry. The baby cries when he is hungry. Sleep. I sleep 8 hours every night. Speak. She speaks 3 languages. Listen. He listens carefully to instructions. Kick. He kicks the ball into the goal. Paint. She paints beautiful landscapes. Open. Please open the window. Close. He closes the door quietly. Buy. They buy fresh vegetables from the market. Sell. She sells handmade jewelry online. Wash. I wash my hands before eating. Clean. We clean the house every Saturday. Drive. He drives a red sports car. Fix. Dad fixes broken toys. Push. She pushes the heavy cart. Pull. He pulls the rope with all his strength. Play. The kids play soccer after school. Watch. We watch movies together on weekends. Chase. The dog chases the ball. Whistle. He whistles a happy tune. Sit. Please sit on the chair. Stand. They stand in line quietly. Shake. He shakes the bottle before drinking. Travel. We love to travel to new places. Ride. He rides a bike to school. Walk. They walk home after school. Drink. Sam drinks water after lunch. Visit. I visit my cousin often. Help. Priya helps her brother daily. Clean. She cleans the floor well. Join. We join gym every Monday. Arrange. We arrange chairs for guests. Plant. Sheila plants trees every spring. Send. You send gifts every year. Carry. We carry books in a bag. Build. They build new houses here. Start. Rani starts work at 6. Finish. My daughter didn't finish her homework. Count. She counts coins very fast. Leave. I leave early on Fridays. Choose. They choose blue over green. Discuss. We discuss ideas at dinner. Collect. She collects stamps from places. Dance. They dance at every wedding. Enjoy. They enjoy weekend movies. Call. He calls me every night. Bake. I prefer to bake with organic ingredients. Check. I check emails in morning. Brush. You brush teeth before sleep. Shop. She shops on weekends only. Clean. I clean my shoes daily. Share. They share lunch with me. Celebrate. We celebrate birthdays together. Attend. You attend class every day. Pack. She packs snacks for trip. Upload. I upload notes after class. Save. We save money each month. Cut. You cut paper with scissors. Lock. I lock the doors tightly. Feed. She feeds cats every evening. Follow. You follow all instructions carefully. Complain. I complain when work delays. Fold. She folds clothes before bed. Print. I print photos from phone. Charge. You charge phones every night. Design. She designs dresses for clients. Organize. I organize books on shelf. Invite. You invite all your friends. Wear. She wears gloves in snow. Lift. I lift boxes with care. Boil. We boil eggs for breakfast. Teach. She teaches kids every Sunday. Wait. They wait outside the hall. Grow. We grow vegetables at home. Hold. Preeti holds umbrella in rain. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe my channel.